In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Looker Studio in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Looker Studio or just need a quick refresher, these instructions will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's open up your browser and head over to Looker Studio. You can find this by navigating to the Google Looker Studio webpage. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and tools designed to help you create powerful visual reports from your data. Always ensure that you're logged into the correct account to access your files and projects without issues. Upon reaching Looker Studio, you should see a report area. Click on report to see a list of all the reports you've previously worked on or have access to. This is where the magic happens. Reports in Looker Studio provide an excellent platform for transforming raw data into understandable charts and graphics. Now, with the report window open, it's time to identify which report you need to update. Once you've located the report, simply click on the report you wish to modify. Clicking on it will open up the detailed view of the report, where you can begin editing to ensure your data is up to date and reflective of the latest information. After you've selected the report, you'll see an Edit button. This option is generally located somewhere along the top of the interface. Clicking on Edit allows you to make necessary modifications, whether that's changing data sources, adding new visuals, or tweaking existing filters to better suit your analytical needs. Editing is a powerful feature in Looker Studio, giving you full control over how data is presented and interpreted. Finally, look for the Resume Updates option, especially if you've previously paused data refreshing on this report. Resuming updates is essential because it allows Looker Studio to fetch the most recent data, ensuring that the insights you derive are current and accurate. Clicking on Resume Updates will reignite the live data feed, making sure your report automatically reflects any updates in real time. And there you have it, your Looker Studio report should now be fully updated. It's as simple as navigating to your desired report, clicking the edit button, and ensuring updates are resumed. Keeping your reports current is crucial, as it provides you and your stakeholders with the most relevant insights driving informed decision making. Remember, while these steps bring you through a straightforward path in updating Looker Studio, exploring other features of Looker Studio can also enhance your reporting skills significantly. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy reporting!